Have you ever wondered whether a robot could cook your dinner? Welcome to the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and its role in our kitchens. Many of us are familiar with the concept of artificial intelligence, or AI for short. It's the technology that powers voice assistants like Siri or Alexa, recommends what movie to watch next on Netflix, and even drives autonomous cars. But have you ever considered its role in the culinary world? Just imagine coming home to a perfectly cooked meal, tailored to your dietary preferences, allergies, and personal taste. That's the promise of AI in cooking. Over the past decade, AI has been making waves in the food industry. Not only can it help you find recipes based on your pantry items or dietary requirements, but it can also assist in creating entirely new recipes. Take Chef Watson, for example. Developed by IBM, Chef Watson uses AI to combine ingredients in ways that humans may not think of, leading to innovative and delicious recipes. It understands the science of flavor combinations and can create unique recipes from scratch, taking into account one's dietary preferences and restrictions. But it's not just about creating recipes. AI can also help improve our cooking skills. Apps like Plant Jammer use AI to guide us through the cooking process, suggesting what ingredients to add next based on what we have in our fridge. AI can also help reduce food waste by suggesting recipes based on leftovers or ingredients that are about to expire. This not only helps us save money, but also contributes to a more sustainable world. Now, let's not forget about the restaurant industry. AI is being used to predict customer preferences, streamline kitchen operations, and even cook meals. Robots powered by AI are flipping burgers, making salads, and even brewing coffee, promising a future where human error in cooking could become a thing of the past. But what does this mean for us, the home cooks? It means that we can look forward to a future where cooking becomes easier, more efficient, and more personalized. In conclusion, AI is revolutionizing the way we cook and eat. It's helping us create new recipes, improve our cooking skills, reduce food waste, and even cook our meals. It's safe to say that the future of cooking is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. So, the next time you're in the kitchen, remember, you're not alone. You've got a sophisticated AI assistant ready to help you whip up a culinary masterpiece. Bon appétit!